What is up, guys? Welcome back to another trade recap. Boys, we're locked in again. We are cooking up another losing streak. Yesterday, no, 3 days ago, so Friday last week, we had one win. Um, and we closed the month of May down around $600. Now, June, we start the month again with a red day. Whatever, bro, whatever. So, higher time frames. 1 hour, so let me put this away. 1 hour, 4 hour, 30 minutes, blah blah. We're all looking kind of bullish because of the whole upwards trend right here. And I was like, okay, maybe we just sweep out some liquidity and then we get a move upwards, right? On a lower time frames then, so like 15 minutes, we can also see like we had this little downwards movement right here. But I was like, this might just be a normal retrace, and then we will probably get a move up again. If not, I could possibly find a um, long position after we tap into this 4 hour fair value gap, or I can find a short position into this 4 hour fair value gap, okay? Um, the problem is NQ and ES made a SMT divergence right here, a bullish one, so ES took out these lows while NQ stayed above them. If we go down to the low time frames, we can see first of all, see, at 16, which is half an hour after the market opened, we had high impact news dropping, which was like ISM manufacturing PMI. I don't fucking know what that is, but it's high impact news, I guess. So yeah, at 16 we had those news dropping, and I was like, okay, what trade could I possibly take? Like I said, SMT divergence. Then we had this 3 minute fair rally gap right here, which got disrespected. And then we tapped back into it, so we closed above it. And possibly, and we had another SMT divergence right here. You can see bang, NQ higher low, ES lower low, and NQ tapped back into this fair value gap right here and closed bullish. A position that I could have taken right away, which I missed because I wasn't locked in, was this one right here. After this close, I could have already went into the position. Stop loss would have been at the same point which I placed it on this trade, and then possibly like I would have probably tried to target these highs, but I would have probably set another take profit around here somewhere. So possible entry. Real entry was after this change of character. Bruv. Change of character. Bang, bullish close. Entered right here, stop loss below the low. Take profit, one up here and then one at the fib retrace point 0.786, which is actually a bit higher. Weird, I don't know. But yeah, the goal was to target 786 Fibonacci. This is useless. I mean, the trade was fully valid. I mean, news kind of messed with it, I guess. And then, bro, after this, we're just chopping around. Real position that could have been taken was probably the short I was talking about to the 4 hour lows. Um, would have looked probably something like, I don't know if would have even hit, bro. I don't think I would have found this short setup anyways. But yeah, theoretically, real position should have been after this close right here. But real position wasn't even bad. It was just like, yeah, cooked. I don't know, market, I guess. But yeah, we are down again. $226 on the account. Hopefully we cook up this month. Need a month like this again, bro. A few green days back to back. This is looking really, really bad. I don't know why. It's just like red days after red days. Whatever, bro. Staying disciplined, staying locked in. Um, here, that's everything. See you guys in the next one.